Every old phone or public computer you've ever used could still have a backdoor into your Google account. These are digital ghosts. Today, I'll show you how to find every device linked to your account and kick out the ones that shouldn't be there. First, click your profile picture in the top right and select Manage Your Google Account. On the left-hand sidebar or the top menu on mobile, head straight to the Security tab. This is your account's mission control. Scroll down until you see the Your Devices box. Click Manage All Devices. Google will now show you every single phone, tablet, and browser session currently logged in. Pay close attention to the last activity date and the location. Find a device you don't recognize or no longer own. Click it and hit Sign Out. A confirmation box will appear. Click Sign Out again. This instantly kills the session and requires a password to get back in. Pro tip: if you see a device you definitely didn't authorize, click Don't Recognize this device to start a security lockdown. Your account is now officially leaner and safer. Do this every 6 months to keep your data private. Hit that subscribe button for more security deep dives.